With the onset of Rosh Hashanah and throughout Aseret Yemei Tshuva, we insert Zachrinu l'chayim melech hafetz b'chayim, remember us for life, the king who desires life, because Sfeinu v'sefer chayim, and write us in the book of life, l'mancha elokim chayim, for your sake Hashem, in the first bracha of Shemon Esrei. And the Torah in Tuf Kuf Pei Beis brings down the opinion of some of the Gaonim that they would not recite this. They didn't have this addition in their Shemon Esrei. Why not? Because they said the Gemara teaches us that it's usher, that is forbidden to ask a personal bakasha, to ask a personal request in the opening bracha of Shemon Esrei. It's a shevach, it's a time to praise Hashem. That's why the second insertion, Micha Mocha Avarachamim, declaring, oh, who is like you? That's not problematic. That's not a bakasha, it's not a request. But how can we possibly ask Zachrinu l'chayim right in that first bracha of Shemon Esrei? And therefore they did not say it. And that shifts the onus to us who do have the minhag. And we do insert it in Shemon Esrei. How do we justify inserting in Shemon Esrei if we are not allowed to ask for bakashos in Shemon Esrei? Yochanan Wasserman Zatzal quoted from his Rebbe, from the Chavetz Chaim, that at the end of his life, the Chavetz Chaim learned the following taich, the following explanation of this phrase. Zochrin l'chayim, melech hafetz b'chayim, we classically view as two different statements. Remember us for life, you who are the king who desires life. But the Chavetz Chaim said no. It's zochrin l'chayim, remember us for life. What type of life? Melech hafetz b'chayim, the type of life that you want us to have. It's a description of the type of life that we want to be living. And that fits well with the end. Because it's all for you. And perhaps with that, we can understand that it's not really a bakasha. It's phrased as a bakasha. It's phrased as a request. But in reality, what we are saying is that we are in this world and we want to live for your sake. We want to live a life, we're not asking for life in Olam Hazeh. We're asking for life which has eternity. We're asking to be able to be a walking Kiddush Hashem, that all of the shvachim, all of the praises, everything that is included in the Shemon Esrei, everything that is there, we should be able to embody, and we should be that Kiddush Hashem. So it's phrased as a bakasha, but perhaps the understanding is that it's not a formal request. It's saying to HaKadosh Baruch Hu, remember us for life, in the sense that it's going to be a life that we model and we are living for you, in order that everybody should be able to understand and everybody should appreciate your godless. That the nations, as we say in the Shemon Esrei, that everybody should become one large group looking to do the Ratzon Hashem. So yes, on the surface, we understand what the Gaonim are saying, that a bakasha is out of place. But with this understanding of the Chavetz Chaim, perhaps at least we have a justification for our minhag, that we're not asking, and this is what we should be thinking. We're not asking for a life in this world and in long days. We are asking to live a life of Kiddush Hashem. We're asking to live a life that's lemancha, that is for you, that we should be able to be a reflection of all of the godless, of the malchus of HaKadosh Baruch Hu, that we are about to celebrate, that we're about to coronate over the course of Rosh Hashanah, and that if we live our lives lemancha, for the sake of Hashem, and hopefully HaKadosh Baruch Hu over the coming days will grant each and every one of us a good year filled with nachas and health and parnasa, and that over the coming days HaKadosh Baruch Hu will be will answer all the tefillos in the way that you desire, and sign and seal us all for Ksiva Chasima Tova.